In this demonstration video, we will see how to create corporation and location master data in OTM Cloud. Corporation data to be created is as shown. So let's see how to create it using user interface, that is UI. The navigation for corporation is shipment management, power data, location, corporations. You will see corporation finder screen. Click on new button. Corporation ID is the only mandatory data to be filled. Rest other fields are optional. Type CUG within corporation ID and CUG private limited within corporation name and click on finish. After finishing, you will see result screen stating that the corresponding data has been successfully created. To verify, click on Corporation Finder and search the data within your domain. And click on Search. The Finder result shows that CUG Corporation record has been created. Now we will see how to create location data. Location data to be created are as shown. So let's see how to create location using user interface, that is UI. The navigation for location is shipment management, location manager. You will see location finder screen. Click on new. Location ID, country code, and location role profile are mandatory data. Rest other fields are optional. Type CUG Pune plant within location ID and CUG Pune plant under location name. Within corporation ID, click on search icon. An additional window will open. Type your domain within domain name and click on search. Select corporation CUG and click on finish. Type India with a code IN within country code and select Asia Calcutta under time zone. Click on Roles. Click on Location Role Profile. Select at least one location role from pull-down menu within Location Roles. Click on Save. You can also add more location roles. Now click on Finish. After finishing, you will see result screen stating that the location data has been successfully created. To verify, click on Location Finder and search the record within your domain. Click on Search. The Finder result shows that CUG Pune plant has been successfully created. This ends our video demonstration on how to create corporation and location master data in OTM Cloud.